Mày y cái này cái tụp pia. Pai bông pek. Tong mama manu ba ai. Ai maya me yang birthday Christmas. Hatu simi aku bener. Mày thọ mama bị maya. Sisa. Ban teriak maya mẹ là mày. Maya li cukup angel sah.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri rang ba ka jala kwan rat ki sangma hakhat ndo terik yong arah jar phan riu ula khot sngo bhai ki ngelam jong khasi author society ban pentip syakan ni ka kenhun pak sarkar jala kelala ban pen urlong ya ke jing dawa ban ai jing itu ya ka khatin khasi kum ka khatin sarkar hakajing keren bakilat phatai khubor u presiden jong society u dr DRL nonglan ula ai khublai yak sarkar halor kani ka jing pen urlong ya ka jing dawa bat ulaya thuru baka society kan sa penlong saya ka jingelang sa kasnong sora bat kumjuru ban budien hakabai dei baka jing dawa yak sarkar padeng ban penrung ya ka khatin khasi haka khanet ka bapra jong riti sanshar kari India.
Just rich? How are you?
Hello, sir. Last Saturday we were there. Now,
Yes. No, it's correct.
It is not a complicated matter. This act is a very small, not that long or complicated one. So maybe it's just like kind of upgradation of these two languages from being the associate official languages to the full-fledged official languages. So we welcome the move of the cabinet of the state under your able leadership, sir, and both of your colleagues, the deputy chief ministers, Preston Wilson and Mas Yabhara Dhar. I hope they have also been very instrumental in making this demand of the people come true. So we are very thankful to you, sir, and to both your colleagues, the deputy chief ministers, and also the entire team of the state cabinet. So we hope that the governor will also give his assent as soon as you send the same to him. And the process is such that it has to be ratified by the regular assembly session. So that is the process. We don't have anything to say on that. Be it through a special session or the cabinet meeting, it's acceptable to us because it is proper to do that. So
Times we have met, and of course I must put in a word to our deputy CM who took the initiative to actually bringing all of this together and having the meeting with the Home Department and the Law Department and consulting the constitutional aspects, because we have to look when we make a law and we have to see in the holistic. We cannot just do things because we want to do it. It has to be also constitutionally and legally it has to be tenable. So Honorable Deputy CM has put in a lot of effort, and we're happy to announce that the ordinance has been cleared today.
Okay.
And in the next session it will be officially passed, because obviously ordinance has to be cleared in ratified in the assembly. And while the ratification is happening, and the reason we wish to do it now is because we want that assembly session to also witness the debates and contributions in Khasi and Ghai.
Yes.
So that is what we want, so that when this bill is passed, let it be passed when our members speak in Khasi and Garo. So that's why we said that it will be most appropriate when the new assembly opens up. This is the first thing we should clear, and it should be done with a debate in Khasi and Garo. And that is why we are pushing this. And we thought that the first people who should know about this is all of you, because you are the people behind this, you are the pioneers, and you are the main people behind it. And we are very happy to share this with you. So over to you. Over to you.
2, 3. One more.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. For the future and everything, that is very important. We will remember you for the
So much, sir. Wonderful news.
Kajingwan jongi menta kasngi kere kajingkot jongo chief minister hi mende menmet hagisha melamet niyo ya kashiti na o deputy secretary jangka chief minister secretary kabala pentip yangi bau chief minister o Pak banyak kendo ini. Lagi siang ikhlas boy berkat bawun kat nak mentah. Namar ngidang penong iki jingalang pai ba. Lagi jaka juga snat her jong ke Khasi Auto Society. Keleng jong ke beri unyotret. Irayo ya kawan penong iki jingalang pai ba. Lagi nurut li snat. Kita ngilas sedang nak isnat nongsan yang kapratring, nang tangilet jawai karwaitring, jauh nyubnai, kebubuat nang ta kadai sekliriat karlaitring, nang ta kat sautring, ngiran arpeliki jelang paiba, kawai apa umsning, jauh isnat nongpo, bat kawai pat hamairang, kejelang bela penlong dan isnat Mairang. Di akhirnya kejiran ki beradab namar bagini ke jingdawa jongi ban penlong ya ke ketin Khasi ke belayo jing itu apa jong ke kernet ke pra jong ke British India jong ke India kadang sateng hadu menta ni lasim ya ke rai hadu mensyam senam jong benai me Akapor bagi penthmai yakino kitkam menta ba ngidai ban let chipai ba ban pesutho ya ke jingdan kam ba ketin Khasi enang kentiu kerdan no shwa ya ka sia ke kerdan jongka ketin sarkar naga balong tangka ketin benrap jongka sarkar lani associate official language Niraong ba kat bangidang budien ya kajing tawa jongi ban perung apo kredit ka pra se New Delhi ngin kerpat ya sarkar jela bahkan penong no ya ka Khasi omshu tang ka associate official language rei ka full fledged official language ringkat bat ka English nim simpersya bandang beteng ya ka English Kumka official language hendrai ni sngodan kam palat baka ketin Khasi kadai ke baningkong namar belai kadai ke ketin jongi ke ketin lajau ti ni la penong nadu kini ki benai kiba ladap nadu kasnem ko ladap hi bon ki program bangilet chiki school ngilet chiki college ban pesutho ya kata but how ni upnai march ki snat ki per ki ong ka bha bangilet no sundan siau pai ba ka penlong ki jakayo ki jaka pai ba badai nang takadau bagi sa penlong ki bakum kini ki program Di hakini ki program begini kisi baladap ngila yakut ba ka sarkar kan namdesho bandang pensa tengi rekam nomor ngi snotu shaikda bakani gadai bet ke kam jong ka sarkar jala kam dan kam banyo ya ka jingmenjur nakunu kunu waipat ka bor tingim sudai ba sarkar kan bu tengi gede kam kumta ki meetings ki baladap ngilaong ba dai ban penong no ya ka kasi kum ka tien sarkar apo jong uyayong mentah snap ara jar ar porbe kamat mentah yu nai but dang men sisni ya ki jingyalang apo musling batha mairan ngilaong ba ngimpat yu i kanu ka dak nakalin jong ka government bakan le ya kini ke jing dawa jungi watla ngirampu ya kata por ban penslam ban pendap no apo na yo tingiraong balada ngimyo khobor alor kani ke jing bu por jungi lese ha ke jingelang ke bakhadu ke ban salong asora khat pradrek ngin happen bena ya ke waipat ka program lani ka sinjam kaban jong ka jinga khi jongi ka bakham tinge hangne hasilong deputy secretary jong ka chief minister's secretariat ka ba khot yangi ba chief minister ba bande kando yangi ti ngim simpoi berkhat ba nakaleng government kalanan sedang banle halor kene kam namara kini kisnem ki bala men adum sem snem bro ngi kum ba kampat daya ju kata tingiwan ngim poi berkhat ba naglem jong government kala de ya sakmat but aga jilang chief minister aga jingran kat jong arnut ki deputy chief minister ba person song but iba snyo bhalang dhar chief minister ulayotho ba ngi lawan ra da ordinance halor jong ka Meghalaya State Language Act ar hajar san ban penlong no ya ketin khasi bat ketin garo ki official languages lani ketin sarkar papura ti yakni ka sarkar kan sopha se governor nagamta ban menjur but nakre jungi suthu bakata kam dei ke bakla watla haki jing kren jungi ki jingalang ni ong bak sarkar kat khot ya ke dorbar ke bakerpang den rei haba kila shong de kabinet ke jingwan ra da ordinance ro ke long hi ke lenti ke badai tangba ke dei ban yo pat ya ke jingmenjur ha ka dorbar jongka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly kaban sawan kawai pat kejing yathu jong chief minister kalong ba wat kektian man penenkam ha kejing ta kejing kren kejing simenta jong inomi khmat kinong thawan ha ka jing dorbar jongka jelaro en perkrea no ban kren da kektian khasi ti kata lesikan longka aka ke ba phla bangni i no haka sin chong dorbar jong ka dorbar tho an ke jela ba kinong mi khmat jongi kin kren no daga kten lajong khasi bat garo ti ka sarkar kan hap berkrea bon ke but nangej kam ba sarkar kumo chimirsa la kren unsala kisala banle ye kata hagwe dai pat but ki rules lese hadien bala menjur do governor ki department ki badai ban le ek kam kian sasdang ye kam bad ngilaong bah ka ba kre ye ki rules ladi ki kendan kumno ban pentri kam ya kedika an ke batmai ti ka sarkar ka dan kam ye ka ban khot yengiro namar ngisuthu ba nakling jungiro nila ban no snyang lam ban ai jing matlam ha ka be dai ban kaji pentrek jurus kaji ngelang ke bangila penbet nginyak cekman namar ba kembang kalong mentahi ke kabinet lawan ra ordinance kandang hapha si governor di kabamat bagakam kadang don halanti kampat dai sispa naga sispa but kaji pelong ya kaji ngilang paiba kalong arbenta kawai ban persyai paiba haki brijungi ya kaji don kam ban penan kam ya katin kasi haki yin haki snong haki jikatre kam but kawai pat ban pen isya ka sarkar ba ngidon kam ban pelong ya katin kasi kom kaktian sarkar omdai tang kaktian kren jongki nong shong snong tingi dan arbenta kaji percaya paiba but kajing yalang hasora kan long ro kajing yalang ka badon kam ha lesi ngala banong ban pen iro hakmat governor lengba kilat patai khobor but lesi lengba kino ki jingtep ki ba sarkar kalum ba ka khasi author society ka kwa bau governor pun ai ke jing menjur kelai kepala kumta ke jing lang sora kalom ke badan kam man penlang kini ke jing kendo ke jongi minta kalom ke bersultanat nomor belai ba ni layo ya ke khobor ba ya ke jing dawa jongi hadu ka bor jong ke jela kamut haga awang tinawai haga state level hapo jong ke jela ni lala ya kaban penurlong hagning kenti ya kabak ki bun se kim sim na poi berkat bahkan long no menta rei kalau ke bapla ba ngila ban penong menta hoi na kele jugi kam dai ke basuk ban let ban penong ikini ki lang pai ba ki jaka fer rei ngila ya le sitam mande eta bat kalong ke basai so bat kini kalong mau mer bat mai jong ke jing job hagi jing trikam jong khasi author society nado balaseng yaka but hnrei lagataru ngirang don sawai pat mau mer ba kham dan kam baru tahu long kata kalong bangi dei ban penyo ya ka tin khasi ka jaka ha ka khrnet bafra jong kariti sunsha kani ke jing pelong tin sarkar bapura ke jela le se kanyara ban plan je ke jing dawa jongi ban penrung ye tin khasi apo ka khrnet ke bapra je kariti sunsha kari india